You ever feel like saving money is a joke? Like every time you try, life hits you with another bill or a random emergency. It's not just you. For most of us, getting to that first $100 feels harder than it should be. Most Americans are doing their best, but rent's gone up, groceries cost more, and don't even get me started on gas. It's not about laziness, it's about survival. So when people say, just save, it feels like they're not living in the real world. The struggle is real, and it's not your fault. Saving sounds easy, until you're staring at your bank app with $20 left and rent due tomorrow. That $5 coffee, it's not the enemy. It might be the only thing keeping you sane. The point is, guilt doesn't help. We've been told that saving money means pain, sacrifice, and giving up all joy. But that's a lie. Saving can start small, with smart steps, not suffering. And today, I'll show you how to start without starving. Hey, it's Sam, and if saving even $100 feels like trying to climb Everest in flip-flops, this video is for you. Welcome to Sam the Finance channel, where smart money moves start here. If you're new, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a money-saving tip you can actually use. This video is for educational purposes only. Always do what's right for your unique situation. In this video, we're walking through real-life strategies to save your first $100 without starving, stressing, or skipping rent. So, let's dive in to start saving your first $100 without starving, and yes, it's totally possible. Imagine your money like a leaky faucet. You hear tiny drips, but never see where they go. Over time, those drips add up to a flood. That's your spending without tracking. You don't need to change anything yet, just watch. Spend like you normally would, but keep a small record of every dollar. Treat it like gathering clues on a treasure map. You're not fixing leaks yet, you're just spotting them. Do it for just 3 days. That's it. 3 days of tracking gives you powerful insight into your spending habits. You might be surprised where your money actually goes. Use whatever tool works for you, your phone, a notebook, or even a sticky note. What matters is making your money visible. Awareness is the first step to control. Not perfection, just visibility. If you found $5 just lying on the street, you'd totally keep it, right? I mean, it's free money. So why not flip the script and hide $5 from yourself every time you get paid? Like a little trick you're playing on yourself, but it works. It's not about the amount, it's the habit. If you keep doing it, that little bit adds up, and suddenly you've saved way more than you thought possible. You're basically handing your future self a coffee, except, instead of caffeine, it's cold, hard cash, and your future self will love you for it. Here's a fun challenge. Pick one day a week where you don't spend any money at all, except on absolute essentials like medicine or emergencies. It's like giving your wallet a day off. You'd be surprised how easy and refreshing it feels. Think of it as hitting a pause button on spending. Make it fun. Challenge yourself to cook from leftovers or finally eat that frozen meal from weeks ago. It's like a little survival adventure at home. You'd be amazed what you can whip up. You'll also start noticing how much food you already have. Need to get somewhere? Try walking instead of driving. You'll save money on gas and maybe discover cool places in your neighborhood you've never noticed before. It's healthy, free, and full of mini adventures. Invite your friends over instead of going out. Movie night, game night, or even a cook-off. It's cheaper and often way more fun. Saving doesn't have to feel like punishment. It can be part of a good time. Turn it into a weekly ritual. You don't have to quit the things you love to save money. If your daily $7 smoothie is your thing, no problem. Try making your own at home for just $1.50. It's way cheaper and still tastes amazing. Small swaps like this keep you happy and help your wallet breathe. Saving isn't about missing out, it's about remixing what already works for you. You still get the taste, the vibe, the treat, just with a smarter twist. Like switching tracks in your playlist, not cutting the whole thing off. You're not giving things up, you're just remixing your life. You'd be amazed how small changes, like making smoothies or bringing your own lunch, can save you $100 without you even noticing. It's not painful, just a little different. These swaps are low effort, but high impact. And honestly, they start to feel good, not like a chore. Keep your vibe, your habits, just tweak a few things. Saving doesn't have to be a shutdown, it can be a creative adventure. You're still living your best life, just with better choices. Keep the good times rolling, but smarter. Let's make saving exciting. The goal here: start with just $10. Think of it like planting your first tiny seed. Small, but it will grow. The second you get paid, treat yourself like a bill that must be paid. Before rent, food, anything, pay yourself first. This isn't a maybe, it's a must. Set it up automatically, so you never have to think about it. The money just slides into savings without a second thought. No guilt, no effort, just done. Out of sight, out of mind, that's the trick. If you can't see it, you won't spend it. That little $10 starts to stack up before you even notice. You want to save money, but groceries seem to eat it all. Here's a trick that might just help you stash away that first $100 without skipping meals. Let's make it fun and smart. Before you go shopping, make a tiny list, just 3 things you absolutely need. This isn't just a list, it's your secret weapon against overspending. You'll feel focused, less tempted, and way more in control. That list is your anchor. It helps you sail straight past distractions and impulse buys. Without it, you're drifting in the stormy sea of snacks, and buy one get one free. And here's a bonus trick: eat before you shop. Because hungry brains make wild, expensive choices. A full stomach helps your wallet stay full too. Saving doesn't have to feel like punishment. Think of it like winning a prize every time you skip that coffee or cook at home. It's not about what you're missing, it's about what you're gaining. Celebrate that. Every time you save $10, that's a win. Think of your savings like a scoreboard. Watching those numbers go up, that's momentum. And momentum keeps you going. Track your savings like you would a fitness goal or a video game level up. When you see progress, you stay motivated. You're not just saving, you're leveling up in real life. Treat it like a mission. Motivation doesn't come from depriving yourself, it comes from seeing how far you've come. Celebrate the small wins, they build big habits. Saving is your journey, and every step counts. Let's recap. Track your spending. Save tiny amounts often. Make saving a game, not a grind. Celebrate every dollar you keep. You've already taken the hardest step, deciding to try. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe to Sam the Finance channel, and share it with someone who's tired of feeling broke. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment. What's one thing you're going to try this week to start saving your first $100? And hey, saving your first $100 is just the start. You've got the plan, now use it. Smart money moves start here. See you in the next one.